Kumasi Asante Kotoko two key players, Frederick Asare and Richmond Lamptey, is confirmed say omo injury no ade say omo undergo scan. Kotoko the official statement aba with that effect. Unim say ahead of Kotoko ni bechem game no. The understanding is that Frederick Asare particularly or picky injury no ewo training grounds and ekofa sa nsensem ne bai na you say one player a friend no Mukwala and a clash abra sa injury no ebaya emano out. So Kotoko next game against Nsuatremai no Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Obetima Bobia, the state of the injury no will determine the extent after the scan is conducted. Now together no scan no ever conducted between one player a friend of the key man which is Richmond Lamptey. Quickly photo edaso ya mia madie nyina Nadia Sulemana chronom na wo Nadia edin birthday into quickly ma menye Nadia birthday mana nsa na wabetwa beti Ramadan ibinim za yire so by Tuesday de na mo wie na inshallah Idil Fitr no ye de ahyehye so Nadia birthday de nke ko share after Ramadan e chi anke ye beba be party o but all the world otumfo nyankopon inshallah fresh Nadia Sulemana otumfo nyankopon inshallah na de wo ye bia no onto ni super no enguso ma nyankopon inshallah na ne Ramadan a wo ye de wo hwefri otumfo nyankopon ho bia no onfa maw na onhyemu kena emaw so Nadia otumfo nyankopon inshallah happy birthday Nadia Sulemana. Now Kotoko statement no or say adding to the list of latest injuries is Asare, whose collision with Stephen Mukwala during Thursday session training section landed him a knock on his knee. That is in Kotoko. The medical team of the club has confirmed that the two senior figures, that is in Penny 4, are confirmed. The two senior figures no won't be available after undergoing MRI scan to determine the extent of the injury. Let's say players me anyway omunye available until say MRI scan be determine the extent of the injury na treatment abano yehu omo until after the MRI scan no the determination of the state of the extent of the injury neba and extent of the injury neba ahead of Nsuatremai game no se bantama ye behwe se ombetimi afeature na se omuntimi amfeature but yensa mo Kotoko boys abaso enra Bechem United omo ya ade mehu ade bi eye positive about Kumasi Asante Kotoko pa na me hope se ebeto aso na Nsuatremai Baba Yara ya chi omo de aye omo ho ewo Baba Yara.